Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 16 to 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Taurus. What's up ngayong week na to? Letting go. Oh, meron kayo i-let go. Pwede itong tao, pwede itong situation sa buhay nyo, trabaho, business, career, or your emotions, no? Pwedeng you are letting go of these negative emotions na sa tingin mo, hindi na talaga nakakatulong sa'yo. It's time to move on. Move forward. Kasi ngayon, inaalaw mo na yung wisdom na magstay sa'yo. Oo. Kumbaga, yung mga natutunan mo, no, maiiwan yan sa'yo. Yung life's lessons. But, yung mga kasama noon na pain, anything na no longer serving your highest good, you're letting that go. Safe home. Iba sa inyo, maaring you will do, meron kang mga gagawin na improvement sa inyong bahay para you will feel safe, you will feel secure, you will feel comfortable sa inyong tahanan. Yung iba, mga home improvements, yung iba, merong renovation, or pwedeng mag-i-install kayo ng mga CCTV or safety lock, additional safety lock. Okay? And then also, importante rin talaga sa inyo ang inyong security. So, you are securing, pwedeng you are securing a home. Yung iba, bibili ng bahay para sa family niyo. Also have grace. Grace is coming in. Blessing. Gracia. Yes. And also, this is going to set you free. So, maaring, letting go and then setting you free. Wow. Okay. So, yung iba, ang nakikita ko rito, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng aalis. Kayo yung aalis sa isang situation or sa bahay. Bahay ninyo. Example, you are living in a family na medyo toxic na sa inyo, hindi na healthy for your mental health. You are leaving that kasi you want to live on your own to make you feel safe. Let's see, what else? Or yung iba naman, meron kayong paalisin sa bahay kasi siya yung toxic para you will feel safe. Let's see your overall energy. 5 of Pentacles. Some of you, Taurus, you may experience some challenges in your finances, sa career nyo, sa business, okay? So, make sure na na-handle nyo yung maayos yung inyong pera, yung inyong finances, and also your health, kalusugan. Kasi ang Pentacles is the physical realm, no? Yung pangangatawan rin natin. So, pay attention to your health, Taurus. Your challenge is the 6 of Cups. Some of you, pwede nagkakaroon kayo ng challenging situation sa anak, no? Sa anak ninyo. Kung malalaki na yung anak nyo, pwedeng yan yung medyo nagre-rebelde na. Yung iba naman, this can also mean merong person from the past na nagtatry pa rin na magstay sa buhay mo or sumubok ulit. Okay? Kaya yung iba sa inyo, nahihirapan kayo kung mag-let go na ba kayo, magpapakamarupok ba kayo at bibigyan nyo ng chance. Your opportunity is the Apprentice of Swords. This is the energy of a Page of Swords. Someone na very curious. Marami siyang gustong malaman, matuklasan. Para siyang isang scientist na nag-e-experiment. So you have the opportunity to experiment in your life, in your business, in your career. maaring meron kayong mga pag-aaralan, i-research this week na will improve your living condition or your situation. Your blessing is the Ace of Cups. I think itong Ace of Cups na to is like a new beginning, a new life, a new experience. It's also forgiveness. So, maaring ifo-forgive mo yung sarili mo, papatawarin mo yung sarili mo sa mga past mistakes mo, or meron kang taong patatawarin, but it doesn't mean na babalikan, okay? Pwede mo namang patawarin, pero kasi may mga pagkakataon na, lalo na kung umalis na sa buhay mo, or umalis ka na sa buhay niya, tapos napatawad mo na, it doesn't mean na kailangan yung bumalik, 'di ba? Kasi iba na eh, nagbago na eh, lalo na kung matagal na kayong hindi magkasama. But for you, you are going to live a new life. Merong a blessing of new life, new experiences for you. Na mas payapa, mas masaya. Your money, career, finances, you have the Justice card, Libra energy, and you have the Two of Cups. Some of you, this is bringing balance in your finances. So, maaring kung maka-experience ka ng financial struggle or challenge, I think makakagawa ka ng paraan. No? Magagawan mo ng paraan, makakagawa ka ng solusyon kaagad-agad. And I also see someone helping you with the Two of Cups. You also have the Two of Pentacles. So, marami pang ibang options for you, Taurus, sa pagdating sa trabaho mo, sa business mo, sa career mo. I think ngayon medyo magsisipag ka kasi mas nai-inspire ka ngayon na mag-perform sa career, trabaho, or business mo. Your love life is the Four of Cups. O, yung iba hindi talaga na masaya sa relationship. O, you have the Hermit. Nag-iisip-isip na. Nire-reassess mo na yung situation with this person. Are you happy? Pwede rin naman tong friend or someone who's very close to you na iniisip mo, is it worth it? Oh my God. Taurus, Three of Swords, oh. Baka ito yung ile-let go nyo. 'Di ba? You're letting go. That's why some of you are in pain, some of you are feeling sad about this. So, maaring this is finally ending a relationship na sa tingin mo, kahit anong gawin mo, hindi ka na makaramdam ng fulfillment, and you feel like it's time to go a new direction, okay? And to heal. Syempre, kailangan natin yan mag-heal. So, you're going to let that go. This can be any relationship, okay? Just take whatever resonates. Pwedeng kaibigan, kamag-anak, mahal sa buhay. Let's see what else, Taurus. Ayan. So, this is camaraderie, leadership, co-creation. So, some of you, maaaring may opportunity kayo na may makatrabaho or makasama sa isang project na magiging maganda yung inyong resulta. Okay? Resulta ng inyong pinagtrabahuhan. So, para magte-take kayo ng risk dito. Yung iba, pwede itong business partnership. Magte-take kayo ng risk for this business partnership. Deeper meaning, hidden emotions. Yes, I think ito yung you are dealing with your emotions right now, Taurus. Pinaprocess mo yung nangyayari sa buhay mo ngayon, kung paano mo tatanggapin yung mga bagay na kailangan mo nang i-let go, yung mga disappointments, especially in relationships. Okay? Slay them all. Wow. This is tapang, pagiging matapang na harapin. Kasi itong mga dragons na to, they are like your problems or people na going against you. So ngayon, lalaban ka na. Hindi mo nahahayaan na ikaw yung lagi na lang iti-take advantage ng iba. It's time for you to stand up for yourself. Yan yung way mo rin of loving yourself. Na regardless kung sino yung makakalaban mo, makakatapat mo. Ang importante is pinaglalaban mo yung sarili mo, yung gusto mong mangyari para sa sarili mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. Bye!